Welcome back to Learning with the Difference. News headlines in English for 23rd of June. And first of all, national news. No purchase of coal from Russia after April 20. Tata Steel. UP demolitions lawful, no link to rioting. State government to Supreme Court. BJP's presidential candidate Draupadi Murmu given jet security by centre. Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray has tested positive for the coronavirus, senior Congress leader Kamal Nath said on Wednesday. Odisha Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik met Pope Francis in Vatican City. India stopped export. Bangladesh is looking to Russia for wheat. Rain snow blocked Kashmir highway. Thousands of vehicles stuck. Assam flood situation remained grim. Over 55 lakh people affected. Mumbai COVID positivity jumped to 20% from 16% in a day. 1,648 new cases. And now some sports news. Afghanistan said at least 920 killed in earthquake. Afghanistan earthquake killed 1,000 digging grave after grave, said official. We are facing a new wave of COVID. France vaccination chief. Texas school where 21 were killed in mass shooting to be demolished. Mayor. Antibiotic resistant typhoid from Asia is spreading worldwide. An Indian yoga teacher based in Dubai has created the Guinness World Record for holding a yoga pose for 30 minutes. Crisis hit Lanka, planned donor conference with India, China, and Japan. And now some sports news. Leg spinner Yasir Shah returned to the side as Pakistan announced an 18-member squad for the upcoming two-match test series against Sri Lanka. Bayern Munich have signed Sadio Mane from Liverpool. Both clubs confirmed Wednesday. And that's all in news. Thank you to all of you.